Hello, my experimenting YouTube family. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great. And today I'm going to share with you all the recipes of mine of 2020, and I'm going to share with you a quick video of all the recipes, kind of all the recipes, but not really all the recipes. But I will try to cover all the recipes in just 12 minutes. So stay tuned till the last. And I have arranged all the recipes in the order of letters A to Z. So it's a kind of A to Z food making and eating challenge. So let's start the recipe. But yeah, definitely I want to say that I have not covered all the letters. Somehow 4 to 5 letters are missing. So according to the order of letters, first one is A for apricot gulab jamun. So if you want to see the detailed recipe of it, then you can check it in my videos list. You can get there the full detailed recipe of it, and I have just uploaded a short clip of that recipe here.
softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention,